One sunny afternoon, an old grandfather noticed his two grandsons bickering over a toy. He called them over to his rocking chair, where he often told stories with valuable lessons. The boys, knowing their grandfather always had interesting tales, quickly settled down beside him, their quarrel momentarily forgotten. "Let me tell you a story about two cats," the grandfather began, his voice gentle yet captivating. In a village, these two cats lived together as good friends. One day, one of the cats managed to get a piece of bread from a house. Just as it was about to eat the bread, the other cat arrived and asked, "Will you eat it all without sharing it with me?" The first cat replied, "I am very hungry today, so I'll eat it all myself." The second cat argued, "But according to our agreement, whatever we find, we share equally." The first cat insisted, "I found this bread, so it's mine, and I'll eat it alone." As the two cats quarreled over the bread, a monkey came by and said, "Are you two fighting over this bread? This thief cat stole it from my owner's house. I'll go and inform them right now." The monkey left and brought the owner back. Until then, the two cats continued to fight over the bread. The owner came with a stick in her hand and chased away the cats after hitting them. Grateful for the monkey's help, she gave the monkey the bread. The monkey, gleefully jumping around, watched the cats running away and mocked them, saying, "Fools, do you fight over your food like this? Look, I get to eat the bread now." Happily munching on the bread, the monkey thought, "When will these cats ever learn? Fighting brings loss, not gain." With that, it cheerfully hopped away. The grandfather paused, looking each boy in the eye. "You see, my dear grandsons, the cat's inability to share and work together led to both of them losing the bread. The monkey was just waiting for such a moment of conflict to seize what was not his." He leaned back, his eyes twinkling with wisdom. "So remember, when you fight over small matters, you might just lose more than you're arguing about. It's better to share and support each other. That way, no monkey can take advantage of your quarrels." The boys nodded, understanding the moral of the story. They looked at the toy they had been fighting over, then at each other, and decided to play together instead. The grandfather smiled, pleased to see the lesson had been well received. As the day drew to a close, the grandfather added, "Remember, unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved, and no outsider can profit from your dispute."